So I know I didn't do a great job on documenting what was done to this room, but this is what it looks like. Sometimes you just put your head down and you just go for it, right? One thing I learned doing this YouTube thing is give it a try, right? You just never know what you can accomplish if you give it a try. And just keep going, push, push, push. Anyhow, I hope you like the room. This is gonna be the office. I'm gonna try to get some stuff in here now so I can be productive and stop working out of that corner in the other room, bedroom that I'm currently working in, and get some of this stuff up for you guys. I apologize that we've been a little behind, but life happens, right? So, I showed you a little bit of what the office looks like. Now it's a bit more finished. Take a look. I know, I've got some more work to do. Never ends. One thing my dad said to me when I bought a house was, "Congratulations, you now have a permanent hobby." I didn't understand. Where do I get it now? Alright, let's take a look at this office. So my side of the office looks like this. This is my setup. Hopefully we'll make some good magic with it. Amazing, you don't realize how how much motivation something can give you. Hopefully now I can start pumping out more videos. Still don't have a whole lot of money, but maybe we can I can bring up the quality of my videos a little bit. All right, let's see how this goes. I love it. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I hope this is somewhat of a motivation that just give it a try. All right, thanks a lot. Take care, guys. Initial Speed. We out.